Does your yard have an unwelcome visitor? You know, that big towering thing that's just in the way the whole time? Tree removal can be a tedious and daunting task, not to mention expensive. Basically, you have three choices. You can either sit around watching the thing grow bigger and stronger, or empty out your bank account removing it. Or you could call us. We're here to remove roots, branches, or entire trees professionally, efficiently, and affordably. We pride ourselves on our high-quality services, embracing a unique blend of traditional expertise and modern methods to get the job done quickly and with lasting impact. While there are several factors that can affect your quote, we promise to always provide you with the best price humanly possible, with 100% transparency and no hidden surprises. So what are you waiting for? Call us today to chop down that tree and your bill.